Today we celebrate the feasts of Martha, Mary, and Lazarus, who were good friends of Jesus, who lived in Bethany. The most famous story about Martha, Mary, and Lazarus occurs in the Gospel of John when Jesus hears that Lazarus is sick, but he does not go to Bethany until after Lazarus has died. When he gets there, he has conversations with both Martha and Mary, in which he tells them that he, Jesus, is the resurrection and the life, and tells them to have faith in him. And then he goes to the tomb and calls Lazarus out of the tomb. There are many striking things about that particular story. One of them is that Jesus addresses Mary, Martha, and Lazarus by name. And what that means, at least according to some of the biblical commentators, is that Mary, Martha, and Lazarus must have been very close followers of Jesus. The author of John actually goes so far as to tell us that Jesus loved Lazarus. And so we call Mary, Martha, and Lazarus good friends, close followers of Jesus, because he calls them by name. We, like Martha, Mary, and Lazarus, are beloved by Jesus. Jesus calls us by name each and every day. It is up to us to take the time to have the insight, the spiritual insight, to be able to recognize the call of Jesus in the call of the people in our lives, and to respond with love to the call of Jesus today and tomorrow and every day.